Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the details of the 7,342,704 installation adapters for high-flow water softeners. This comprehensive bundle includes everything you need for a seamless installation. 2 install adapters number 7,271,204, 2 clips number 7,089,306, 2 O-rings, and a gram of silicone O-ring lubricant. Designed specifically for larger 1-inch high-flow water softeners and filtration systems, this kit ensures a secure and efficient setup. The high-quality adapters and clips provide a reliable connection, while the included O-rings and silicone lubricant help prevent leaks and maintain optimal performance. Whether you're upgrading your current system or setting up a new one, this kit simplifies the process, making it an essential addition for any water softener installation. With these components, you can enjoy the benefits of a high-flow system with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product insights and tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.